Hey folks, once again it's Captain James Nelson here with Dude Craft Guitars. Check out this one. It's another new model. That's right, this is called the Molly. And check it out. It's kind of got some familiar looks to it, but of course we tweak it, make it our own, and give it our own name. So there's the Molly for you. And all the features, of course, all the details are right there in the description of the video. But real quickly, just go over and check it out. It's got a couple extra frets there. So 26 fret. We've got all the usual players. This one is made out of swamp ash, and it's like a real slim body. So the thing weighs almost nothing. It's really light. And then we've got mahogany and walnut in the neck. So it's really cool. This is being the first one. This is a you know, you could call it a prototype, but the customer did order it, so it is to his spec. It's a teal burst. And there's some things that, you know, going forward, I think I'm going to do differently. I happen to like a 3x4 headstock. Customer wanted 7 straight. It makes it a little limited as far as strings you can get in doing that. So that's something to keep in mind when you place an order for an extended range guitar like this, is strings. You know, some companies are finally getting into it. But some aren't, you know, even your more traditional companies, sometimes it's hard to find strings for them. But anyway, I digress. Let's get on to the sample. So we got this one tuned with your standard guitar tuning, E on up, E, B, G, etc. We've got the B on there. So you could tune it lower. I did have it for a while in G sharp. Yeah, and it was pretty cool. So, you know, G sharp, A flat, whatever you want to call it. And that was pretty cool. So it can go a lot lower. It could probably go higher, but I don't know why you'd want to. Let's see. Let's get a little beat going. It's pretty obnoxious, huh? Yeah. That's blended pickups. Let's go with the neck. Yeah, that might work. Kind of reversed up the beat there with downstroke on an upstroke and upstroke on a downstroke. I hope that works. I don't know. It's kind of feeling in a funky mood. Down a rabbit hole I can't climb out of. Let's add some vibrato, why not? And on this one I'm gonna go single coil on the bridge pickup. Never fear playing a bad note. Just fear that you're recording it at the time. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the neck pickup. I'm gonna go single coil. Let's see if we can get some distortion going. Yeah, auto wah distortion on a 7. Oh man, that sounds terrible. All right, let's do. I'm gonna go single coil here and full load there. Okay, so there you have it. That's the first Molly-7. I've got another one. I started and I'll probably finish. It does have a 3x4 headstock, and I think I'm just going to do that one all black, single pickup. We'll see. Got that one kind of scratched out in the works on the bench, or actually off the side of the bench collecting dust. I'll pull it out, probably finish it. But there you have it. I hope you like it. There will be a photo essay pretty soon, going up on the page. But other than that, this one is about ready to go. All I need is the thumbs up from the owner. So Chris, if you like, let me know. And if any of you others folk out there like this video, aside from the improv, but it takes a lot of practice to do an improv correctly. But anyway, you know that. You guys are musicians. At least I hope at least half of you are better musicians than I am. It doesn't take much, but anyway, I go in there. Thanks again for supporting Dudecraft Guitars. I can't tell you guys how much I really appreciate it. I hope to have a couple more demos going by the end of the year. Get a few more guitars out, but You know, so hopefully you guys will come back and, you know, we'll do all the Merry Christmas, all the hugs and kisses for that. And what can I say? Please click like, subscribe, all that jazz. All right, thanks again for supporting Dude Craft Guitars.